Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to configure your Google account with Microsoft Outlook. It's an important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Sometimes we may need to configure our Google account with Outlook, as because Outlook is very user friendly and also you will get many options in Outlook to customize your email and email account. Okay, let's do it. First, in search bar, type Google Chrome and open Google Chrome. Open Gmail. Click on settings icon. Click on see all settings. Click on forwarding and POP IMAP. Now click on enable POP for all emails. Now make sure that enable IMAP is selected. And also you need to make sure that auto expands on. Immediately update the server default. And also you have to make sure that the folder size limit, do not limit the number of messages in an IMAP folder, is selected. Okay. Now click on your profile photo. Then click on manage your account, manage your Google account. Click on security. Now scroll down. Under third party app with Google Access, click on manage third party access. Scroll down. Look, you have to make sure that Google account sign in prompts allow Google to offer a faster way to sign in with your Google account on supported third-party app site. You need to make sure that it is enabled. Okay, minimize this. Now click on search bar, type Outlook. Click on Outlook. Here type your email account. Click on connect. Click on next. Type your Google account password. Click on sign in. If you have two-step verification enabled, go to your mobile and click on yes. Now scroll down, click on allow. Look, account successfully added. This is my Gmail account. You can check setup Outlook mobile on my phone too, or you can uncheck it. It's up to you. Click on done. Look, my email account is already synchronized in Outlook. All data of my email is synchronizing. Everything is synchronizing. To complete the synchronization process, it will take long time. Okay. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.